Once upon a time, there was a beaver. He said, "Hey, can I come in? Sorry, it's just a one-dog canoe." And then the beaver hopped in, and a loon came flying up in the air and said, "Hey, can I come?" And then he came in and sat on her lap. And then a wolf said, "Hey, can I come in? Sorry, it's a one dog canoe." And then the wolf jumped in. And the bear said, "Hey, can I come in? Sorry, it's a one And then the moose said, "Hey, can I come in? Sorry, it's a one bear, one wolf, one loon, one beaver canoe." And then he hopped in. He said, and then a fox just came and said, "Hey, can I come in? Sorry, it's a one, what is it called again? No, it's a one moose, one male, it's one wolf, one beaver, one dog canoe." And then he hopped in.